Was there a moment when you realized that you were working on something in the lab and you're like, oh, I think this could be, or
Yes.
you remember that?
There's actually an additional special aspect of this virus that I didn't mention because I didn't want to get too complicated, but our virus is killing in a very special way, so it's causing infected tumor cells to fuse with surrounding tumor cells, so it's making this sort of very bizarre chain reaction. They look very cool under the microscope, and so I very distinctly remember when I initially rescued this virus and I saw this effect.
Rescue the virus?
That's called a rescue. You engineer it in a plasmid setting, and then you do kind of like a co-transfection, and then you rescue the infectious virus from the DNA. I very distinctly remember seeing this effect under the microscope for the first time, like these very cool looking, they're called syncytia, so these fused cells, and I remember looking at my colleagues and saying, this virus is going to change the world.